Hello friends, welcome to our channel Study with Sonu. Today we will learn months name. You know that 12 months in a year. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, subscribe and share. So let's start the video. First month, J A N U A R Y. January. January. Second month, F E B R U A R Y. February. February. Third month, M A R C H. March. March. Fourth month, A P R I L. April. April. Fifth month, M A Y. May. May. Sixth month, J U N E. June. June. Seventh month, J U L Y. July. July. Eighth month, A U G U S T. August. August. Ninth month, S E P T E M B E R. September. September. 10th month, O C T O B E R. October. October. 11th month, N O V E M B E R. November. November. And last, 12th month, D E C E M B E R. December. December.